Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You can now access the cabin filter, which is located on the upper left of the engine compartment. Pull on the cover, which is on the left, on the windscreen frame in the engine compartment. Open the fastening rack by pulling towards you and pull out the pollen filter, which is in 2 parts. There are 2 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for the pollen, while the black ones are for the active carbon. The first one helps those with allergies, while the second filters out odours. Reposition the 2 filters, paying close attention to how you hold them up. Look carefully at what is indicated on the filter, which should show the airflow direction. Close the rack. Replace the cover. Operation completed.